I'm Angela Booker, the REACH Vaccine Program Coordinator, and I'm here today at SACO. And we're hosting an event with the REACH Clinic, and we are very excited today. We had a great turnout. People in the Mid-County community coming to get vaccinated. We have a great incentive program. We are encouraging people to be ambassadors after they're fully vaccinated so that they can refer somebody and get paid. So come out, we love to see you. And yeah, once you're vaccinated, you have your shots, you can bring someone back and get $50 gift card. So that's a really great incentive program, and we hope to keep seeing people each time we have a clinic. So we're going to be here and we'd love to see you. Thanks.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Ashwaq Omar and I am with Oregon Health Authority. My title is Communities of Color Vaccine and Testing Coordinator. We are currently at the Somali American Community Organization of Oregon, and we have partnered up with this community-based organization here to help vaccinate the Somali community. And we have seen a great turnout from adults as well as youth. And each event has been very successful, and we are glad that we're able to partner up with SACO and provide this type of service.
Hi, my name is Taylor Ford, and I'm a communications specialist with the Multnomah County Racial and Ethnic Approaches Community Health Program. So today we're out here at SACO to offer a community vaccine clinic to folks looking to receive a COVID-19 vaccine. Here really just promote general awareness and education around vaccinations, and just be able to offer folks in the community opportunity to get vaccinated and just answer any questions that they may have about it as well. Just working with our community partners here with SACO and some of the other organizations that we've been collaborating with, it's been a great response, just seeing people continuously come out and be more encouraged around getting vaccinated. I think the incentive program that we've also installed has also helped a lot. Response has been really great though. Across the county, we've hosted different community sites. Some numbers, or some weeks, we get greater numbers than others, but continuously we're just trying to promote vaccinations across the county, specifically within our African American, African immigrant refugee populations.
My name is Amina Afra. I'm the manager of Somali community, which is called Somali American Council of Oregon. I've been here for about 10 months, and we are hosting a vaccine event. So this is our 7th one that we're hosting. We started our first one, I think. It was only 12 people, and we are going as far as people showing up for 84th. And it has been quite a success. And I'm really really pleased that people are trusting us. And 80% or 89% of people that are showing us are Somali people. They are coming, they're excited, and we're educating people, that it's not really as bad as what the media are persuading to be. It's really exciting to be here. It humbled me since I joined. I look forward to the challenge ahead of us.
I am Jawahir Umar here on behalf of EACS. Today we are here with SACO with the vaccine distribution. We are so happy to be here. We are pleased with the turnout of our youth. Over 55% of participants come from the youth community. We're so excited that our young generation are taking a stand against their health.
We are here today for the vaccine event. We have a visiting team from East African Community Services led by Munira and her team, who actually do a great service for the communities in the Seattle metro area. We welcome them here to participate. We thank you for your participation, and we're looking forward for the great cooperation in the future to help our Somali communities. I would like to also thank for Oregon Health Authority for their support in bringing the vaccine team. Also our Multnomah County REACH team that also came here to give out gift cards to support our programs. Thank you very much. We truly appreciate it and help us protect our community.
Thank you for listening. Please make sure to share, like, and subscribe to Runta News channel on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter.